Hello, everyone. I'm Lily. Today, we will learn 5 important question words. Let's begin. Who? We use who when we ask about a person.
Who is calling me? Who is calling me? My sister is calling me. My sister is calling me. Who sent this letter? Who sent this letter? My friend sent this letter. My friend sent this letter.
What? We use what when we ask about a thing.
What is in the gift box? What is in the gift box? There are sweet cookies in the box. There are sweet cookies in the box.
What should I order? What should I order?
I will order pizza. I will order pizza.
How? We use how to ask about the way, manner, or method of doing something.
How do I open this jar? How do I open this jar? I twist the lid carefully. I twist the lid carefully. How do I clean the table? How do I clean the table?
I wipe it with a cloth. I wipe it with a cloth. Where? We use where when we ask about a place.
Where are my keys? Where are my keys? They are in my pocket. They are in my pocket. Where is the park? Where is the park?
The park is near my house. The park is near my house. When? We use when we ask about time.
When is the party? When is the party?
The party is on Saturday. The party is on Saturday.
When do I sleep? When do I sleep? I sleep at night. I sleep at night.
Can you write 5 questions using what, where, when, how, and who? Write them in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.